One of DJI's next vlogging cameras has reared its head again before the company has had the chance to make an official announcement, providing a closer look at the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro and the Osmo Pocket 4 in the process. The new image provides a much closer look at how the Osmo Pocket 4 Pro will differ from the Osmo Pocket 4. DJI will be preparing to release the next model of its popular ultra-compact 3-axis gimbal camera, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 series. An official video of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro has been leaked. The video was released by Xdrones Studio, which reports on information about drones and action cameras, and is a promotional video for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Pro, which is considered to be the top model in the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 series. As per previous rumors and sightings, the device will feature 2 vertically arranged camera modules, and 2 new buttons will appear when the display is rotated. The DJI Pocket 4 Pro are changing perceptions of its size and design. The Osmo Pocket 4 Pro is listed with a 1545 mAh battery at 7.7V. Initially, rear-facing leaks suggested a bulkier Pro design with large vents. The Osmo Pocket 4 Pro could launch several months after the standard model. The timeline points to a launch after April, with May or June now looking more likely. DJI's Pocket gimbals remain popular among vloggers and mobile filmmakers thanks to their compact size and strong stabilization. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.